My name is Dr. Scruggs, and in this video we're going to discuss brow lifting procedures. Droopy eyebrows are a very common complaint or issue that we see on a daily basis. Often the eyebrows will droop to the point where they obstruct your vision or just cosmetically not look good. Patients will frequently come in complaining that they have to lift their eyebrows to see better. Often in these cases, insurance will cover the surgery as long as several criteria are met. Typically, the patient has to note that the eyebrows droop into their vision and it affects them in their daily activities such as reading, driving, or using the computer. We then have to take photos that document the brows drooping into the visual axis, and we also have to do a visual field that shows that a certain percentage of the vision is obstructed. If those criteria are met, then typically insurance will cover the procedure. Typically, the procedure entails making you sleepy with a twilight anesthesia similar to cataract surgery or if you've ever had a colonoscopy. In this procedure, we make an incision above the brow, remove some of the skin, and close it up. The procedure typically takes about 45 minutes. We'll then see you in the office about 1 to 2 weeks later after the surgery to remove the sutures. We'll again see you at about a month, and typically at a month you can tell your final results. The procedure works very well to lift the brows and gets them out of your vision. However, the one downside is that it can leave a noticeable scar above your brow. If you're worried about having a scar above your brows, then there's an endoscopic brow lift as an alternative, which we will discuss in another video. However, that is considered a cosmetic procedure. Following the procedure, you'll go home and we'll ask that you ice the incisions for the first 1 to 2 days and take it easy for about 3 days, including no heavy lifting or bending. Typically, we'll see you back at 1 to 2 weeks to remove the sutures, and then again at a month where we'll then see your final result. Thank you for choosing Central Florida Eye Specialists, and we look forward to discussing this with you further.